Sanibona bafethu uvani lo ngiyibuyela nje bafethu ngiyibuyela ngizobona indaba la regarding umdlali weOrlando Pirates uMfokeng. Iqiniso nje lihle bafethu akekho umdlali ofuna ama club njengoRelebohile Mofokeng. So sengithola indaba la uRelebohile Mofokeng ufunwa iClub yase-USA. La club abaningi bayazi le club le inomdlali wala eSouth Africa okuhlongwane. uHlongwane bafethu udlalela leya club leya yase-USA iMinnesota United. Udlala kakhulu umjida uyayidlalela uyarepresent South Africa there even though Hugo Broos engambizi yabo. So kuphuma indaba ke la kuthiwa uRelebohile Mofokeng ufuna ile club le isikhiphile ibid ka2 million US dollars. Bakhiphe nje imali yangempela 2 million US dollars. Mukhumbula kahle le bid eyikhishwe iAltifag ekhiphe ibid around 1.7 million US dollars. Nayi-ke la eMinnesota isikhiphe imali engango 2 million US dollars. Asazi ukuthi yiphi team ezokwazi ukumthola uRelebohile Mofokeng, but ke iMinnesota iyona okwamanje isakhiphe imali enkulu uku 2 million US dollars. Ungangiconvertela ke lapho ngitshela ama comments ukuthi imali engakanani leyo. But ke ngithe sengifunda la njengabesho nje ukuthi uMfokeng italent elikhulu kakhulu elina 20 years old represent Bafana aphinde futhi abe istars weOrlando Pirates. Kuthiwa ithi lentatheli leSUSA ithi angadlala ku-under 22 weMinnesota United. iMinnesota United ingamqalisa kubafana abancane before im-upgrade yomdlalisa kwi-main team. Le ndaba leyazi ngikhumbuza le ndaba le yaCassius Mayilulu. uCassius ngosikhathi esuka kwiMamelodi Sundowns eyojoyina iToronto. Wasuka kwiSundowns wayojoyina iToronto bamdlalisa kwi-B team yeToronto. Umjida wangasakisida khona badecide ukumloana back to uRolani Mkwena. To be honest, ngikabili with le deal ngikabili because iMinnesota vele inawo umdlalo wala eSouth Africa, so bayabelievela kwi-talent la eAfrica, but ukumisa ku-under 22 umfana mfethu I don't think lokho kuzomsiza kwi-career yakhe kuyona. I think futhi noHugo Broos I don't think usazombuka ngeindlela usazomlanda. I don't think usazomlanda lapha because masubheka uCassius Mayilulu before move ayile wamwona uCassius Mayilulu uHugo Broos wamwona ukuthi angayile America because le America ibhola lakhe lizofiphala yabo. Ukudlala kwakhe ngeke abule uCassius lo abe yena kwiMamelodi Sundowns uzofika ashintshe ngale nangempela akafikanga wayenza imakhi yakhe ngale bamqalisa bamdlalisa nabafana abancane. So Hugo Broos akaphindanga wambiza because mukhumbula kahle wayembiza kubafana isadlalela iSundowns, but since he went to USA bambiza ngomjida. Same as uHlongwane wayumuntu ojolo ukubizwa kakhulu Hugo Broos, but Hugo Broos akasambizi kakhulu bafisa uHlongwane. But ke angazi ngangitshela ama comments nina nizizwa kanjani ngale ndaba le, but for me I don't think it's a good deal for uMfokeng ukuthi aye le eUSA. Yes umjida kumele ahambe yabo, kumele ahambe ngempela, but kumele siwabheka amadili as Orlando Pirates siwa accept. Yes imali yakhuluma, money talks, but ngabe lo mali leyo yabo ikhuluma ibhekiphi. Yes unganginikeza imali, but imuphi umvuzo umfana azothola? Umuphi umvuzo umfana azothola mase unikeza iPirates imali? Because naye phela kumele abheke ukuthi okay ifuture yami kanjani. But ke ngikabili futhi because when I look on the other side, iUSA izodlala iWorld Cup next year. Njengoba izodlala iWorld Cup next year, umfana omncane uMfokeng mfethu ama-team amaningi ase-Europe azofike aye lapha eUSA yodlala ama-pre-season games khona. Njengoba yodlala ama-pre-season games khona, uMfokeng might be exposed kuma-team amakhulu, lawo ma-team lawa afuna ukumsayina. But ke anything can happen. So nami ngiyahlawumbisela nje, I'm just making an example. If Mofokeng goes there, maybe these teams go to a USA to play their pre-season games, see talent njengomfokeng, maybe they might want to sign uMfokeng njengestory sa Ronaldo. Mukhumbula nje istory sa Ronaldo eManchester yale yabo ePortugal bodlala pre-season with iSporting bafike bamsign uRonaldo. So into kanjalo ngeke ingenzeki. I'm just saying iMinnesota vele kuyase USA njengoba bedlala kwiMLS. But ke anything can happen bafethu. Ngantshela ama comments, how do you feel about this deal? Do you think uMfokeng kumele ayijoin iMinnesota United or Orlando Pirates kumele i-reject le deal?